How to reset secret code on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp account. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen in here. After you click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find different options. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, scroll down and click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy, you will find this kind of screen. Here, scroll down and click on Chat Lock. After you click on Chat Lock, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, click on Unlock and Clear Locked Chats. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Unlock and Clear. After you click on Unlock and Clear, you will need to verify by adding your lock screen passcode. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to reset secret code on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.